There has been progress in the search for a coronavirus vaccine, promising results in several countries, but there are also concerns that even with hundreds of millions of doses, there won't be enough for some developing countries. South Korea is looking at what can be done to make sure that doesn't happen. Choi Jeong-yoon reports.
Will we have a COVID-19 vaccine before the end of this year? According to the World Health Organization, there are 23 potential vaccines undergoing human trials, with 3 of them at the large-scale late stage and reported to have generated immune responses and be safe to use. As it's uncertain which vaccines will be successful, many countries are embarking on a strategy akin to spread betting, while aggressively committing to future vaccine doses even before development. Washington has closed a deal with AstraZeneca for enough vaccines for 300 million people. The UK government has also secured some 230 million doses so far and signed deals for a further 90 million. However, only a handful of nations can afford to commit major sums of money to such speculative investments, which could mean developing countries are forced to the back of the queue. Amid mounting concerns over vaccine nationalism harming the global fight against the coronavirus, voices have been calling for global efforts to equally distribute vaccines for public health purposes. South Korea on Wednesday implied such actions are underway and that it's reviewing participating in the plan. The health authorities said discussions for co-developing a COVID-19 vaccine as well as setting orders for fair distributions are ongoing at an international level, in close cooperation with the WHO and Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance.
If such work is to proceed, South Korea is expected to give its financial and other support to the international community's vaccine co-development, which will give us a say in vaccine distribution in the future.
Seoul is also seeking other ways to secure vaccines. South Korea's SK Bioscience has agreed to produce AstraZeneca's vaccine at its own factory in Gyeongsangbuk-do province to help boost production capacity as well as secure a domestic supply for Korea. However, no specific details regarding domestic supplies or the price of the vaccine have yet been revealed. Choi Jeong-yoon, Arirang News.